How to embed Airbnb reviews on Shopify. Log into your Taggbox widget account or else create new account. Select Create Widget button, enter widget name and save your changes. Now select Airbnb as a source to fetch reviews for your widget editor. Enter the Airbnb page URL to fetch reviews and click on Create Feed. Now the feeds will appear on your dashboard. It's time to embed widget on website. For embedding, click on Embed Widget button. Here select Shopify. And now click on Get Code and copy this embed code. Log in to your Shopify account. Now go to the online store and select Pages. And then click on Add Page. Enter the title for your Shopify page. Now paste the embedded code in the content section and save your changes. Now in last, click on View Page. Great! You have successfully embedded the Airbnb reviews on Shopify.